Ah, nature. Oh, shoot, my phone's died. Anyway, nature. A bike. What is that? Oh, yeah, it's a brownie wrapper. Totally part of nature. Let's see more things that are... What? Whoa. Wait, what's that? Leaves. Yeah, that's totally part of nature. This... Trash, yeah. In the back of a truck, too. That's totally part of nature. Let's see. Another wrapper. Totally. Alright, let's see more things that are part of nature. Hello? Humans are totally part of nature.
Let me see.
No!
Let me see that.
It's my freaking phone, boy!
Let me see that.
You're not taking my phone, you little scallywag, nigga.
You're making a real video.
What do you think it is, Roman? I'm supposed to be in Florida right now. You look like you have crippling depression. Anyway, my phone's gonna die, buds. I'm pretty sure when it dies is when this video is over. So, whenever it just cuts off, it's because my phone died. Okay, let me snoop around in here. Scratches. Who the frick scratched Mama? Oh, it's dirty. In a minute there, I went and got an axe and chopped off the heads of the children who scratched my mom's. Who didn't whitewash me? It was your schedule to whitewash me on the. Never mind. Oh, look, a basketball. That's not yours anywhere. It's my big brother's basketball, not yours, you little scallywag. I bet he did not. I bet he did.
Ah!
Hit me with that. You're getting an ass whooping. Look, a bush. That's totally... Don't hit the Porsche. Okay. Flowers. What was that? A dead rat? Oh, shit.